si BRC. Ay po si BRC.
Oo, lang siya.
Sunblast. Gusto yun sa same pillow. Nagpilok. Tanaw ka rin ka nag
Sige lang kay Madlaw-adlaw na niyo mo nagkita, Bless. Madlaw-adlaw na niyo mo makita.
Nilinood ko kumapil sa time na.
Ano ko naghanap videos ni John niya. Wala pa dito ano.
Hindi na kumapil sa time. Pinang...
Kaya feel kahit tanawa.
Pamati!
Basta uwi.
Si Marie na pinang kilig-kilig na ka, Marie.
Kikilig ka dati.
Sige lang sa na, video.
Oo.
Time-lapse na ni Uy. Time-lapse na ni ka.
Time lapse ko pwede ba?
Sa wakas, naabot na dyan sa time lapse ni siya.
Uy, naman mo last time sa time mo.
Ano, masama na yung music. Ito yung favorite ko.
Okay.
Ray, ano po dyan? Hindi ko siya mahal. Ubo,
Ay, i-review sa ata bago tayo Exa.
Marie, kilig-kilig na ikaw. Basa na. Basta to. Ito na, aming ako.
On, in, unsa pa? Learning? May an?
in, at, or, like, in,
Unsa man sila? Ano ba ning math? Ah.
Bless memory niya tiglay.
Sinagyan. Ikaw.
Wala, nakapatid mo.
Ay, di ba din ako?
BFF.
Ay,
Reyes din niya nakauna, di ba? Katong nalayo ko sa mga amin sa ako ate ay sila kay layo man sila sa schedule no? Kompleto ka nila. Ako, ano na kayo?
ayaw na ito mga isang kanin.
Wala sila ni Unsa man sila? Ano sila comment?
Hello everyone. While waiting,
Baliktid man yan.
I'll be announcing to you some or I'll give you some reminders. The filing of graduation will start on June 2 to June 13. Application for graduation, June 2 to June 13. You can apply for graduation once you have completed all the requirements in your internship program. So you know the requirements, so you have to submit the requirements to your supervising teachers. Second, your financial obligation at the finance office. Please settle in advance before June 2 all your account balance at the finance office. You cannot apply for graduation if you have financial obligations. Am I clear, everyone? Third, your requirements in your retreat, lahat kayo nakapag-retreat, sa lahat ng mga offices ng mga requirements, sa registrar's office, your birth certificate, ano yung mga lacking requirements niyo sa registrar. I know you know it already, what are those, and who are those who have lacking requirements. Make sure you have to submit that before June 2. Your certificate of internship, we will be the one to give it, to forward those certificates at the registrar's office. Once you are done with all of the requirements in internship and you pass the mock board. Make sure this mock board covers general education, professional education, and your specialized courses, your major courses, major subjects, your specialized. BSED, BPED, BSNED, BSED, specialized courses, then BEd, and the rest. So you have mock board. You cannot apply for graduation if you cannot pass the mock board. General education, prof-ed, and specialized courses. What else? There are series of CSA still, so please be on time and please be here on time. And thank you for those who attended the Mass this morning. Please be here on the schedule. Punta kayo dito kaagad. And do not be absent. Kasi this is for you in preparation for next September 2025. Else? Do you still have clarifications or questions regarding your requirements? The internship certificate is 2 copies. One for the registrar and one for you. We just announce when to file for graduation because sabay-sabay kayo niyan lahat. At saka, you cannot get directly the certificate of internship at the office. We'll just post the date when to get it because that will be your copy. Please keep your copy kasi gagamitin nyo yan when you apply here, local, national, or in abroad. No? Kasi kailangan nyo that you're done with your internship. Please keep that copy and scan it